So is BlackRock actually going to invest $9 trillion into XRP? What's going on, guys? It's Ricky. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. If you're simply looking for the answer is no. There's a lot of different crypto pages such as Altcoin Daily. I'm going to make it super easy to understand. I thought that this post was made by accident because it doesn't take a very smart person to see that, okay, is BlackRock really going to invest $9 trillion into Ripple, which is XRP? BlackRock, the largest asset management, in gearing up to make a large investment into Ripple XRP crypto. So pretty much what this is supposed to try to do is take the world's largest asset management, use their authority, their credibility to legitimize XRP, who 30 days ago, XRP was at the same price level that it was after crashing from the 2021 rally. It just baffles me how a page like this with nearly 500,000 followers on Instagram and many different articles go out of their way to try to manipulate the price of this crypto. If this was the stock market, they would all be investigated and they would all go to jail. You cannot intentionally try to pump up the price with fake news. Do you guys remember Wolf of Wall Street? Do you guys remember the whole, trying to persuade people that these penny stocks were actually more valuable than what they were? If this was the stock market, this would not be allowed. And this is why you have to be even extra careful in the crypto market. Very simple. $9 trillion, supposedly this investment that BlackRock is going to make. Again, BlackRock has 11.5 trillion assets under management. You really think that the world's largest asset management company, think with common sense for a little bit. You really think they're going to go out of their way, sell and liquidate all of their assets, 9 trillion of it, to put it in XRP? XRP, a crypto, again, I want to be polite to some degree, that in the past month has gone up 358%. And it's only been in the past month because it's been pretty much trading sideways leading up to it. So you can see, do you guys remember that whole Nikola thing, the whole AMC thing, the whole SMCI thing, right? Where they just use marketing agencies to try to persuade people that that stock is actually more valuable than what it is. Nikola was notorious for this. At one point, their market cap was more valuable than Ford. And then you had their CEO go on national television and also make a statement saying, oh my God, I can't believe I created a company that was once inspired by Ford. Guess where Nikola's at now? The CEO is gone and Nikola's under investigation, and Nikola is, filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy pretty soon. It's lost 98% of its value. I want to show you this. Very simple. What happened back in 2021 where everyone, you can look back to those articles. They also said XRP was going to be super valuable. They pump up the price and then they dump it on you. They pump up the price and then they dump it on you. Where was this confidence that XRP was going to be the new end all be all, right? A few months ago. But it's only when things are going their way and crypto traders are just so one-sided that if you don't agree with them and you simply talk about the downside risk, you are against them. No, idiot. We're just making beginners aware of the downside risk so they don't have to be left holding the bag just like you did back in 2021 and in maybe early 2022. And then you just kind of have to hope for the best. So 2 years of silence. And then all of a sudden, 30 days, right? Because it's been 30 days, I'm pretty sure, in 1 month. This is where it's began to see this uptick. I cannot stress this enough. And people will go and comment and say, oh, the only reason that it sold off is because it was being investigated by the SEC. And now there's going to be a new SEC chairman. And that's why it's skyrocketing. That's why XRP is going to be $1 trillion market cap. Man, how do I say this in a not condescending way? It just baffles me. It is, if you look at the criteria to be a pump and dump trader, the GME prerequisites, the AMC prerequisites, XRP and crypto pumpers are just that. The only unfortunate part about this is that crypto is unregulated to the most part. Yes, The SEC investigation for XRP was an initial trigger, but Bitcoin also sold off. And we all know that without Bitcoin, XRP isn't going to do shit. We all know XRP, again, for the past 2 years, past 3 years, you guys have been silent. Now, all of a sudden, because there's possibly a new SEC chairman that is more crypto and XRP friendly, supposedly now XRP is going to be $1 trillion company. It's just absolutely insane. And don't get me wrong, in the short term, because of great marketing and because of hope, XRP can continue to try to rise in the short term. But one thing is certain, XRP will always crash 50 to 80%. It has done it in its past before. Just look at it. It pumps, it dumps. It pumps, it dumps. It pumps, and maybe this time it will go higher. But guess what? It will always dump, just like Bitcoin. Please, please, please. And the reason I'm making this is because crypto is so trendy right now, where, in my opinion, in the short term, yes, you can make money during the bull run. But in the long term, there is more pullback potential than there is upside. And what I mean, in the next year to 2 years, you buy an XRP at $2.50, $3 per share is not a good investment. We all know it's going to come crashing down because it's done it in its past. This time, when they try to sell you on the dream that this time it's different, nothing is different. It's all based off of hope. It's all based off of what they believe might happen. This all sounds too familiar, just like AMC, just like GME. Again, patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to. Make your money and bounce. Take your profits. A 300% return is absolutely wild. It's great. You earned it. All I want to see is our beginners to actually lock in those profits and spend it how you see fit. I think a small piece of the pie is better than giving it all back. And maybe it's just because I come from a more conservative style. But again, my focus has always been looking out for beginners on their downside risk. And I really hope that you guys see that. And if that offends you and you feel that I'm against you and your crypto movement, then take it as that. But again, I will continue to only make videos that are in our beginners' best interest. So again, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. And don't forget, our Sunday stock talk will be later today. I'd love to break down your stock. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you then. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.